The Yamaha XSR 900 since its birth has been a motorcycle that lends itself very well to customization. In fact, there are countless customization kits available, from the XR9 Carboner to the Wise Gear superstructure set with the iconic colors of the Rzv500. Yamaha also proposed various customized liveries, such as the XSR 900 Abarth and the XSR Sport Heritage. Last year, the Iwata company presented the XSR 900 GP, a tribute to the racing bikes of the past with dedicated fairings in a classic style. At the Osaka Motor Show, Japan, Wise Gear presented two customization kits with the colors and shapes of the legendary RD500 dedicated to the Yamaha XSR 900 GP. The roadster powered by the 890cc, 119 horsepower 3-cylinder crossplane engine. On this basis, at the Osaka Motor Show, the guys from Wise Gear presented two kits that revive the myth of the legendary FZ400R and RZV500R. The first kit pays homage to the iconic design and legendary livery of the FZ400R from the 1980s. The half hull is painted in a dark blue with an aged finish, and above it is decorated with white and red lines. As well as the half fairing, the fuel tank and the rest of the superstructures also follow the same color shade. The other kit is inspired by the RZV500R, and in this case, the dominant colors are red, present on the tank and on the fairing combined with white. Blue is also present, but with only small lateral accents. The prices of the two kits have not yet been announced by the manufacturer Wise Gear, but it is likely that they will arrive shortly. We will update you as soon as we know.